Okay, I've always wanted to have an unpacking video ever since I found that they were even a thing. And then especially when Ellen, just a second, made a spoof on the unpacking video. This is not easy to do with one hand, huh? Okay, well this has been repacked. Was sent by DHL from Cairo, Egypt. And as we suspected, that it would get opened and checked, which is fine, and repacked. So DHL repacked it. Okay, now this is a literal unpacking video. I don't know why that is wet. It's kind of scary that it's wet over here. It doesn't smell bad, so that's good. So, let's get that undone. If I ever do this again, I gotta get a little stand for the camera. This is not easy. Okay. All right. So, good. Yeah, nothing's wet in there. Okay, so these are the masks that are folded. Hard to get to, but you can see that they're flat with folds in them. Okay, there should be 15 of them in here, but in a little bit I'll recount all the bags. And here's a couple little surprises. They told Kyla that they have some other things that they can make too. So we've got a couple samples in here. Another sample. I won't put those out right now. That'll be after all the other tidal wave of craziness. Okay, these are all sorts of little samples that they can also make. This is, oh how cute. It's like a dowry necklace. And here's some things that you can, oh that's cute too. They're for keychain. And a green one, even better. And another smaller little dowry necklace thing. And another keychain with a starfish. So there's all sorts of, an ankh. Another dowry necklace kind of thing. Well, that's fun. Okay, so then these are headbands, but I'm not going to put them out right now either. But, so these are embroidered headbands, hairbands. So, just in case someday the virus is over, we can wear headbands. Okay, so now we hit the real stuff that I sent for. Here are masks with bags, 35 of them. So these are the face masks and the bags that we know so well. And also, okay, so these are the formed face masks. There should be 50 of them in there. There's more bags with face masks. Should be 25 in there. And in a little bit, once I unpack this a little bit more, then I will count all those. And this is more face masks and bags. Should be 30 in there. So Carla's already counted all these and written on the bag how much was there. And here's more formed masks. So all of that is looking very familiar, right? Right. So anyway, so I finally did my first unpacking video. And look at the wonderful mess I made already. Yes, and now I'm going to go count them. Bye.